Good morning, children. Hope you people are doing good. Children, for today's craft, we required two big circles. See, two big circles. For these big circles, I use this one. Okay. And we need one small circle. For this small circle, I use this cap. And we required two small circles. For this small circles, I use this cap. Okay. And we required two semicircles. Two semicircles. For this semicircles also I use the same cap. And we need one rectangular shape, and the length of the rectangular shape is 3 into 6 centimeters. How you measure the rectangular shape means, say, you need to take like this. For your clear understanding, I am using a sketch pen. See, 3 and this side 6. Okay. Again 3. Just cut this piece of paper, that's enough. Okay. For these circles, how I use means, see, take this and keep circle like this and cut this part. See how to cut. So while cutting the paper, be careful. Okay, so make sure the diameter of this circle is 7 centimeters. No problem if it exceeds more than 7 centimeters. Make sure that the diameter is most probably 3 centimeters less than for this big circle and small circles. Even you can take it 9 centimeters also, but you can take this is less than 3. 6 centimeters. Okay, how to measure diameter? See, diameter you can measure from the diameter is nothing but 2 into radius. Okay, 2 into radius. Radius center from the midpoint of the circle to at the edge. Okay, see, midpoint దగ్గర నుంచి edge దాకా ఎంత ఉంది 4 centimeters. Okay, if you double this radius, then you will get a diameter. See, the diameter of this is approximately it is 8 centimeters. Okay, just take out the rectangular shape and the cut like this. You need to cut small. Okay, need to close this one, like one in left and one in right. Okay, keep it aside. And now take two big circles which we did already and hold like this. No need to hold exactly half, you need to hold like this. Okay, and then you need to cut the same thing which we did for earlier. Don't cut it horizontally. Do the same thing for the another strip also, another circle also. Okay. Bend like this. Hope that you people understood what I am going to do. Yeah, you are right. We are going to do a bird. Okay, like this. Just bend like this, and then take two small circles and use black color. This we use for the eye of the bird. Okay. Okay. Case I forgot to intimate that we require two triangles. For these triangles, I hope that you people know how to draw triangle, right? See, draw like this and cut this piece. We require two. Okay. Then keep this book. I'm going to keep this book aside and take this and apply a little glue over here. Stick it properly. And then take this rectangular strip and apply a little glue over here. Don't stick it horizontally, okay? Stick like this. And stick the second strip. Don't stick completely. Okay, just leave this part. Don't stick for this body part. Leave this part. So, now we are going to stick legs for the bird. Eyes. Do the same thing. Opposite direction also. Opposite side also. Okay. I know we need to stick big part. Nose. See, finally this is our bird. Okay, ma'am already prepared one more board here. See, See how beautiful it looks like. See guys, it will move. It will swing, you can say. Okay. See guys, this is the final output of the bird. See, it will move like this. Okay. And this is baby bird and this is mommy bird. See how nicely it is going to swing. Okay. And keeping aside, children, those who are not having color papers, no need to worry. See, like this, do the circle like this and use the crayons and scribble it like this. Okay, scribble it nicely. Don't choose sketch case. Okay, scribble it nicely. Do it in one direction. And then cut this piece of paper. See kids, the things we remember, it should not be stick horizontally. Okay, the horizontal ga stick cheyakudadu, and you should not stick the entire body part. Only half of the body part we need to stick. Okay, or else it won't stand like this. See kids, do it as many as you want. And if you want to hang this one, see, while applying the glue over here, apply a small strip of cardboard like this. See, just cut this cardboard and apply here and attach a piece of thread, and you need to hang this one. You can use the same thing in as a decorative item also. That's all kids. Hope you enjoy the session.